When you need to join a new ball of wool, it's really simple. The last thing that you want is a big knot to spoil your pattern. And I've selected a blue colour to show you how to do it. With your new yarn, create a loop, pull together to create a knot. Pull it tight. With your existing wool, create a loop, pull together and create a very tight knot. So you'll have one knot that is with your existing wool, one knot with your new wool, holding your new wool, holding your existing wool, pull gently both of the wools apart and the knots will come together. This is impossible to break. It is very tight and secure. And now you cut off the edges. You can cut very, very close to the knot and it will not come apart. Simply continue knitting with your new ball of wool. It's blended in perfectly. So when it's in the right colour, it will look fabulous. Simple, easy, and strong.